So KITH released yesterday that they're collaborating with the Jetsons, which is a really old TV show. When do you think they stopped making episodes?
Man, I don't even know. Cause when I'm 1995 for what it's worth. But I remember watching this shit, and like when I was watching it growing up, it was already really old.
Yeah.
Like when I grew up watching it, my older brother was already like he was like done with the show. The show was old, but when I was growing up.
Yeah, I remember like tuning into Boomerang and watching this.
Yes.
And, like Scooby Doo was
old
on
school
there.
Scooby Doo.
They had like Grape Ape, Wacky Races.
A lot of Flintstones.
Flintstones. Oh yeah, it was good. Boomerang was where it was at.
Yeah.
But yeah, anyway, so they're doing this collaboration. They announced it yesterday, and then actually today they released some images that are probably going to be, obviously used as graphics on the tees and hoodies and all other pieces that they usually do. So yeah, we can go through the graphics. I think there are 5 of them, and yeah.
Go from there.
Here you just got the Jetsons in their spaceship.
Man.
And it says Just Us, and I was actually looking at some of their other collaborations that they do.
And they've done the Just Us quite often.
Yeah, they use the Just Us a lot. They have one with Power Rangers where they do that. And
Adidas.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, with the MF Dooms.
That's I saw with Power Rangers, and then also they had a Captain Crunch collaboration. I think they did that also with Just Us.
All right.
So yeah, but yeah, this is cool. You got the kind of like the stars, and it's in this really old drawing like graphic style that the film the series was shot in. Yeah, and then moving on to the next one. This is by far my favorite.
That's really cool.
I love how they incorporate the KITH logo.
Yeah.
And it's also like they have the Jetsons in it, but it's kind of subtle.
Yeah.
Like maybe not so subtle, but it just really is integrated well with the KITH branding, I think.
Exactly. In addition, since when did the oldest Jetson daughter get so thick? I don't know. But anyway, cut that out. The Jetsons were more of like an older animation. You can tell by like the coloring and I mean just the style of it.
Yeah, the really like lack of detail that was put into it.
Like the eyes were just beady. You know what I'm saying?
Because back then everything was hand drawn. They weren't actually like animated. Was it like Pluto? Pluto, right?
Pluto would make sense. Is it Pluto?
It's something like that, like Bluto or Pluto or something like that.
Maybe it's Uranus.
But yeah, anyway, this is another cool one. I like how they just like really cartoonified the KITH logo, and they just got the dog.
It is very cartoonified. It reminds me of like the Cartoon Network old school logo, or it was like just checkerboards. Remember, like Cartoon Network. Yeah, it kind of looks like that with like the black and white and like the shape of it. But yeah, I like it.
Yeah, my boy Elroy tugging away at the H, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, I don't know. Like it would have been cool if he was trying to make it look like it was like a dog that he's tugging, because like most cartoons is like you always see like the young boy
holding a leash.
Yeah. I mean it's good. I like it for what it is, but
I really like how they have all of the graphics are like the characters interacting with the branding. I really like that. I think that's cool. That's also just like another
a literal collab of both, opposed to just like Supreme where they would just have a photo of Gucci Man just like.
Also, I think it's like just another like really big cartoony thing where the characters would actually like break the 4th dimension or the 4th wall or whatever and interact with the item itself, that being the branding of KITH. So I think that's really cool, and it even like adds more to the cartooniness of the Jetsons. So yeah, that brings us to the last one, which is just kind of
the whole gang.
Yeah, the whole gang together, and then in front of the KITH logo, and they're all like doing a celebratory jump.
I think it's super cool. I like it.
Yeah. So that's all the logos that they have.
There'll be more to come though, without doubt.
I don't know. This might be it.
No, I mean like, hopefully they have like an actual teaser of the clothing. I know it's on Monday, but like on Sunday or the weekend they can like give us some more updates opposed to just a couple illustrations.
Like probably tomorrow we'll end up getting some pieces with the graphics on them.
Exactly. But I guess we'll see. What happens, because hopefully there's more than just these designs, and I'm sure there is. I'm sure these are just the only designs that they just put out. There's no way it's gonna be just 4 designs for the whole collaboration.
Well, there's 5. And then I grabbed a couple examples. So this is the Power Rangers collaboration. Obviously, you can tell.
What? I did not know this one.
Yeah, I think it's Haley Baldwin.
Yeah, she's
modeling it. So she did like the lookbook for it. I think this one is like another one where it's very similar to our favorite one of the Jetsons collab, where you have like
split in 2.
Yeah, it's kind of like splitting the KITH logo and interacting.
This one's a lot cooler though.
Really?
Oh, 1000%.
I guess, I mean, yeah, since it is just like a lightning bolt, it's even less branded than other ones. So then I also want to talk about this one, because if we do see more images, I feel like we could see something like this.
Yeah.
Because KITH does this a lot. They just take images and then they'll just paste the KITH logo right on top of it. So they did some like old racing shirts, like NASCAR type stuff, and they just printed KITH over it.
That's kind of cool.
But yeah, these are the graphics. You'll definitely end up seeing these graphics. You're gonna see them on like t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm pretty excited for this collaboration.
Yeah.
The Jetsons are kind of like, I don't know, along with them and a bunch of other stuff on the Boomerang network, hold kind of like a little place in my heart.
Do they?
Yeah, like
I could care
so much
not much at all.
nostalgia.
I mean, the Jets. No, Power Rangers is the nostalgia. That right
Power
there.
Rangers for me, like, yeah, I watched a lot of Power Rangers back in the day. But
Like,
it's
Power Rangers
they
made
don't
me who I
hold
am.
They don't hold a place in my heart. Like, the Jetsons are so cool. Like, I love that futuristic take on stuff, you know? I
Yeah,
really
yeah,
love
for sure,
that. Like,
for sure. But I